Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Okay, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you need to swipe up or down on the screen, on the home screen, to open the glances menu. And here you have the list of glances, and one of them should be the steps. By default it should be here, but if you're missing it, you can tap on the edit icon at the bottom, then scroll down, tap on add, and here look for the steps on the list, tap on the plus button next to it, and it will be added to the list, and then you can see it in the glances menu. And once it's in the glances menu, you will see the daily progression. Here we have our steps and our progression. You can also tap on this glance to see more detailed information, like distance, streak, and the goal. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check the phone application to see the information about the steps taken. It's more detailed than on the watch, so if you want to see more detailed information, I recommend to download the app and use it for that info. Okay, let's bring our phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. And on the phone that is paired with my watch, I have two Garmin applications, because to pair the watch with the phone, you need to use the Garmin Golf application, and to check the health stats and stuff like that, for some reason you need to use Garmin Connect. I don't know why they did that, it's weird, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna open the Garmin Connect. And here we have a home page, and on it you can scroll, and we have this page at a glance, and you could probably see the steps here. No, there's no steps here, so we can tap on more. I believe it's going to be activities, and then steps. And here we have the data from the steps, and we have daily, weekly, 4 weeks, and year progression of our step counter. And you can check the data if you like. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.